And there we go. We are live with Chris Bongers, which is below me. Hey, Chris, how are you? How's it going?
All good, all good. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Every time I put that video, it really pumps me up for the live stream. So I'm super pumped. I see some people who are the hackathon winners in the. Yeah, there we go. We have almost them all. We have also Pradumna. So okay, so I keep saying that 1 month ago we made a hackathon, or 3 weeks. Instead, I've checked the date today, and it started on the 7th of March. So we're close to 2 months already. I don't know how this could be possible, probably because of the company gathering, Chris. By the way, Chris, would you like to introduce yourself so for the people who don't know you, and so we can get started?
Cool. Hey, I'm Chris. I also work at Daily.dev as a software engineer and the web team lead. And I also was responsible for reviewing the submissions, which was really cool. So I'm excited to talk about it.
Yeah, and last but not least, also the idea of the hackathon came from Chris, because we made we released a feature about that you can share the RSS feed of your bookmarks, and we wanted to get people more involved. This is the good thing if you create a product for developers. So we organized this hackathon, and I can also share something about the creation itself, which I think it's useful, because this has been the first time that I've organized a hackathon. I think that from scratch, we can say. And yes, so let me share this GitHub repository. So I needed a place to put something. For example, the rules of the hackathon. So I tried to make this in a tweet, but it was not enough. Even a Twitter thread can be hard for someone to read, and maybe I didn't want just to have just people on Twitter. For example, I share this both on Twitter, on LinkedIn. So I created this repository. But for now, it's for this hackathon. Maybe in the future we can use this also for other future hackathons. So here there were the rules. By the way, you can sign up now because this hackathon is over. So don't sign up now. And the people were subscribing, let's say, getting interested into this hackathon, either by sending a DM on Twitter, replying on a Twitter message, replying on a LinkedIn message, or the smartest people, they made a pull request to this GitHub repository. So this was a very smart way to participate into this hackathon. So here I have all the rules. I highly recommend you to put this last chance to put a submission. And I have to say that I'm sad because I got some very good submissions after this date, but this is a strict rule. I got a submission which was very close to the first one, but not the winners, but these are strict rules. Okay, so here are all the list of all the people who were interested into the hackathon, and we got about 100 people. So this is was very good. It was really shocking for me, because we haven't announced it like I don't know, like months before, trying to get some hype. We made like just some days of hype. So this was a very good response. This also motivated me to put all my efforts into this. Nice. So what will we do in the live stream today? Today we will review the the 5 most liked submissions. So if you have any question, just drop them in the chat. Otherwise, I think we can start. Chris, please give me say something about the submissions before checking that. Was you as shocked as me?
Yes. No, it was when we launched this, I had no idea what would come. To be honest, I would have been happy if we only had 5 submissions. We got like more than 100 people interested, which already blew my mind. And then once I started going through the submissions, I was blown away. So really well done to everyone. It was hard picking winners.
Yeah, I also had this problem. Like, okay, so we have 3 prizes. We will have at least 3 submissions. Otherwise, I think I have to say that we had more, I think that about 30 submissions. So I'm also counting just people sending an email with a raw idea. So all the people that who sent just an email with 2 lines with an idea, like I would like to maybe this could be a good idea. They got free stickers, so this also it's good to make like a participation prize for everyone. But of course, it's hard to win a hackathon just by sending an email with 2 lines, even if at least you can say that you participated. So here are the 5 most liked submissions by us. Hey, Jai, how are you? Nice. So the idea it was just to give the prizes to the first 3, but since we got so many good submissions, I've decided to give a prize to other 3 submissions. We will see 2 of them because one of them had some link problems, so we'll see just 2 of them in this live stream. And so this is why I wanted also to give a prize and I would like to start reviewing this too, if you agree, Chris, and leave maybe the first one as last. And of course, we'll give a shout out on social media. There's already a post with all of them, so I hope that you also got some interest. And yes, I think we can start.
Yeah, let's do it.
Winner announcement. You need to update. But we will go back on this, Padumna, because you already did something on your GitHub repository. So let's see. I know the problem is that after that I was organizing the company gathering, so I left this as it is. To be honest, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's start by this one. Okay, so I think he was in the chat. Mythgore, are you still in the chat? I think yes. Okay, so I've read them. I hope that there is not like a private information here. I don't think so. So here are the submissions. By the way, I just wanted, before we read that, maybe I wanted to share also the idea, which was this one. So I'll not play this, or maybe we can play it just to have an idea of what we are talking about. So let me play this one. Sorry. Okay, so this was an introduction. So we are using an RSS feed. We don't have time to explain what an RSS feed here is, but it's basically a way to have maybe a list. It can be links, it can be something, it can be data. So okay, it was not, there was no audio. Okay, why? What a second. Edit name. I think we had a problem in the audio. But I have the audio. Wait a moment. I don't know. By the way, it's I'm sorry, but I think I have some problems here. But wait a moment. Just 1 second. It was no audio. Maybe I can't share the audio. Just a moment. Sorry. Let me remove it.
At least we had the subtitles. That helps.
Yes. This was good. Okay. Now this is something strange of the this is something strange by Streamer that by default it doesn't share the audio. Okay, sorry. Let me play it again. It's just 1 minute. I'm sorry. Can you hear now? No. Wait. Let me talk you about a new feature which is Shareable Bookmarks, and this is a very interesting one. Let's see it together. To activate the Bookmarks sharing feature, you can just go on Bookmarks, Share Bookmarks, switch to public mode, and you will have this RSS feed link. Let's see how it looks. Not super good, but you can use this. For example, let's see, explore tutorials. You can integrate this with your GitHub account, but there are also other tutorials coming soon. Let's see the final result. Here is my GitHub profile, and here are my daily.dev bookmarks. Amazing. We are working on more tutorials on how you can integrate your RSS feed. Okay, I can't. It seems that I can't play videos with a high level. I just want to show that it's at max level here and also on my PC. But okay, okay. By the way, let's go back on the showing these these ones. Okay, so let's start by this one. So this was the first submission by Mythgore. And so I think so the first thing that, by the way, Chris, feel free also to comment, of course. The first thing it's a CLI. It was a CLI, and he provided also a GitHub link. So of course I'll share everything in the comments. Okay. Okay, so first of all, it's amazing that someone creates this repository from scratch, and he also works on this. So this is also a README, which I think is kind of interesting. He also provided 2 videos, so not just one video, and of course we can check it. There is no audio in the video, so it's not. It's not something that we can add, but I really like the idea that someone takes time to add a video that explains how things work. What do you think, Chris?
Yeah, I think the main part for me is that, by the way, hi, Meetcore. I think I saw you in the audience. Really well done. What I really like is that the video doesn't just show the result, but it also shows the whole process. Like, oh, how do I install this? How do I use it? And you give some examples, which is really good for a submission. Like, it gives us like a 2-minute overview of what the whole thing does.
Yeah, and of course, it's not a coincidence that probably all the things that we will see today are people who have added the explanation. So this is not a coincidence. You also created a Docker of it. I really appreciate this, but I try to not be biased. But I like that I also made another version of this, and I think this is also, and this is something. This is a 3 minutes one, so maybe we'll keep it going while we talk. Let's see if we have some questions. I don't know if I can give answers on this, but to be honest, I really loved these super simple explanations. I think it was here literally him recording the screen while he was doing the thing, so it was something interesting. Maybe you could have added some audio explanation to this, but this is already a lot. So it's maybe this, maybe just some. You could have added some small editing, for example, here, just cut some parts. But I don't know. Maybe it also depends on how confident you are in the editing part, of course. How's it going? Nice. Okay, so I like that image shows something. I don't know if maybe we can go a little bit further. But I like that he showed everything, also with Docker. Very interesting. Here, this one is building the thing. Okay, so maybe you would have just edited just a little bit, but I mean, it's, of course, this is way better than don't do it. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
No, you did really well.
No, you did well. Yes. Mm-hmm. Nice. I really like that we have like this CLI, that from the CLI. I think I think that maybe someone can get this and create something very good, because usually when you do something at low level, you can you literally give someone else to also create something which is even better. So I like that they added the dependencies. So very good too. Okay, nice. Thank you, Mr. Destructive. I think we should go a little bit faster, but we showed your repository. Perfect. Any comment, Chris?
No, really well done, and I love CLI apps. So cool.
Perfect. Okay, nice. Okay, so now we have this by Udai. Udai is a great friend of mine, so I try to don't be biased. And okay, so he made a small introduction here. I think that the idea it was very good, because it was something to build using RSS feed to display the latest bookmark on a website. So this is cool. To be honest, the presentation, like with a .rar file, maybe it could have been done in a different way, but I think I have downloaded it multiple times. So now I can decompress it, maybe. No, just open this like this. Yeah. Okay, so let's check what is in this on this RAR file. So here is a readme.docx. So so I liked the text. Maybe this could have been just put in a GitHub repository. I don't know why you haven't done that. But here is the final result. So I like the idea that you put like your the lead.dev bookmarks at the end of your website, for example. What do you think, Chris? I really like the idea.
Yeah, I love the idea, and I was a bit almost sad to hear that in Cuba you have such a like issue with having to use a VPN, and that's putting you down. So I really love that. Besides all this trouble and politics, he still was able to submit something. So yeah, I also love the idea.
Yeah, Yuda is not that easy to give up. I know him pretty well. So, and yeah, there is a picture, and here I think he put the code. Let's see if I can open it. Maybe I should open it with. I need to extract it. Let's see if I extract it. Okay, I lost it. 1 second. What is the download? Okay. Opening. Okay. There we go. Okay, so yeah, so this is something super simple, but I like it that it was like this RSS parser, so very simple. And yeah, any comment, Chris? Something very usable.
No, I think it's a really good like start case. So like to make it that could be still evolved. So it's a really good first start. Really love the idea that you can add your bookmarks to any website.
Yeah, and I think that with just a little bit more work, this could have been really, of course, in the top 3. So for me, it was bad just to give like a fourth place, but still, this is a very good idea, and it is also presented. And yeah, maybe you could have added a video, but okay. So this is the very simple, and we don't have in this case the link of the project, because we just send a RAR file. Maybe what I can do is to put to give a little shout out to Udai here on the chat. There we go. Okay, very close to 2,000 followers. There we go. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's go with the next one. And you have 20 minutes, right, Chris?
Yes.
Okay, let's go fast because I want to review them all. Okay, so Mohammed Nazim, I think I seen him in the chat. There we go. I don't know if you're still there. My project is an RSS feed reader Telegram bot. Very, very good idea. Integrate daily.dev RSS feed to Telegram. Here is a demo. So let's check if the demo is still there. 42 seconds. great plus. Let's see if it plays. Wait. Oh no, I think it has not audio. It doesn't have the audio. Okay. But still, I appreciate that you took your time. We'll also subscribe to your channel. I like this one. What do you think, Chris? I think this could have a huge potential.
This is really cool. I mean, besides that it works and the video is short and concise, the GitHub repo is there. It's a really cool project. Like, you know, it's not just the idea, it's the full implementation. He even has a link to the Telegram bot, I think. So you simply add it. Really well done.
Yes, I'll also comment here. And let's go back here. I think they will also have a GitHub repository. So there we go. So this is short, but really straight to the point. So
yeah, very complete.
Very complete. So this, of course, this deserved the. Okay, let's see if you are still there. No, I can see. Okay, yes. So I also updated the repository third place. So it's cool here, installation with yarn. So nice.
Very well done.
Very, very well done. Mm-hmm. I also made here a link to deploy the version, I think.
Yes, exactly.
Cool.
It's really cool. Can immediately try it out.
Yes. So this could have been almost a winner, but let's go on the second place. Now it's getting very interesting now. Okay, so the second one, it was by Amit Wani. Thank you, congratulations, awesome work. So thank you for the using the little dev in the past 2-3 years. So he's also a power user. This, of course, is a plus because if you already know the product, you can have maybe good ideas. Send bookmarks. So this was very good. Send bookmarks to Twitter. Can't think of any better name, but okay. Let's see how it was this one. I put some here. I think it was some links that so I can click. Yeah, so he created like this one. So it's like you can connect this with Twitter and link and post on Twitter your bookmarks. But I'm sure that there is an example of this working. Let me there we go. Okay, so this is unlisted. Maybe remove the video. Let's see. No. Okay, it works. Another person without audio is not my fault, I think. I suppose. No. Yeah. Yeah, so to be honest, I liked the idea that he put a video because I don't know if I would have like just tried something with any test account because if you submit a hackathon, you'll never know if that it can be malicious stuff. So I didn't want to give access to any Twitter account. So I really appreciate that he made a short explanation of how this works. So this is was like in the video. So you take the public RSS links, Twitter marks. Now we have the name. This was a very straight to the point video. So like you put your RSS link. This is very interesting. Check this out. You put the RSS link, you verify, and you can choose when this will be tweeted. Impressive. Very impressive. I don't know what have you used. It'll be interesting to see what you have used for this. Nice. Let's see.
Yeah, this one is really like mind-blowing from idea to execution and the demo. Like this just had all the things that really
Yeah,
helped us
this
pick
is
it as
this
as
is
one of
like
the
a
winners.
whole project. This could be almost a SaaS. It's
Yeah, yes.
check it out because it's working. So this I was really shocked because I was a bit skeptical. Like, okay, so maybe this is just an idea, but he went really deep into the execution part. So he really tweeted this. So
Super.
congratulations, Amit.
Really well done, Amit. Well done.
Yeah.
Big shout out to you. That's
Yeah,
amazing.
absolutely. Yeah. For example, this without a good presentation, I would have discarded this. Okay, so this is just a good idea because for me it was mind blowing that someone can really go deep into all the execution of this. Also, I think he had a task. He also made the project an open source project. So this is also an open source project. I think I'll take a look for real here. It's also a Docker file. So this is like something really shocking. And I think I'll take a look at this because I'm interested into creating, into having something. But bonus idea implemented for Twitter organization, favorite tweets into different categories. Okay, so this, I like that he also gave an idea to maybe expand this in the future. A little plus,
Yes.
but can make the difference when you have some people evaluating something like that the project is never done, but you also have new ideas. Okay, nice. So I want to dedicate at least 10 minutes to this project, Chris. And I don't know, Pradum, if you are in the chat, I hope yes. Oh, so now let's take a look at the winner, Pradumna. So regarding RSS feed hackathon. First of all, great plus he got a name for the project, Daily Dev Really Simple Syndication, DDRSS. So it's interesting. It's a good title. What is this? Is a Discord bot that helps to get all bookmarks and latest bookmark in your Discord chat. So this is first of all, here is the project. The project was private, but after a while, he also put this public, and this makes sense because before maybe checking the hackathon. Then let's check this. So first of all, there is a Gitpod link here. I haven't tried it yet, but we have a Gitpod link here. We have an icon with an animation. I think it's so this took some time, and here is updated the winner. Very proud of you, and check it out. This is a project explaining everything you need to do. This is also a link to how you can share the book. I think this is a part of my video, so this is interesting. Okay,
Yep.
nice. And comments, features. So this is really complete. This is really
This
complete.
is a bigger README than daily.dev itself has.
I don't know, but because this is also not that short, but tutorial. And now I would like to check this because I remember that when this, you are biased, Padumra.
No, it's
I
this
love the
is
way
really
how Pradumna is coming out way more confident every day. He will be huge in the tech community. You will see that in a couple of months or years. And I don't know if you have time to check this out, but let's go with the text part for now. So thank you also for updating this. I mean, this means that this project maybe also in the future you can. I think this is also can have a huge value even if you have, I don't know, if you're looking for a job, for example, you send this link and the link can be a hackathon winner. I think this could make a difference. I don't know for you, Chris. If you have to interview someone, it's like I won a hackathon. This is a contest. This is what I submitted, and all the
no,
links are
100%.
working. So.
It shows a lot about how you tackle projects, which obviously is really well done. Like it's not just put something together, which is a mission on its own, but you're really good at documenting it and making it visually appealing. So I love it.
Yeah, this is a great way to let's see. I can't see. Oh, let me check here. 1 second. Let me check the audio. I don't know. I don't have the audio. But anyway, let me see.
Create a game.
No. This is something else. One moment. No. Okay, so the volume is very low. So what I'll do is that I'll put this in the comments. By the way, I want publicly here. Pradumna has a YouTube channel. I think almost nobody know this. He has 1 subscriber, and now the little dev will be the 2nd subscriber of Pradumna. I also put a like, and I put this link. No, this is Graham. Why Graham? Why do you have the, the logo of the little dev? Kudos to the winner. Nice. Okay. Remember to always like and comment videos. Also this video, of course. So I think that I will not play it because maybe the volume is a bit low. But here Pradumna goes really into details. And I think here he goes the extra mile to win the first prize because he's explaining everything in details. Even if he's not... he doesn't make videos every day. I really appreciate the fact that he put the effort. What do you think, Chris?
Yeah, I think that's for me. Like, there's a couple of things that make this special. Like, first of all, coming up with a name, like, and a short version of it. Thank you very much, because it would have sucked to say it out loud every time. But you made like a little logo for it that even animates. You made the video really extended, which I know making videos is really hard. Francesco makes it look really simple, but it is hard. So I really want to thank you a lot for putting this out there and making it easy for us to review your submission. And the project itself is also just really cool. I love the Discord bot that you can use.
Yes. So I really would like to reinforce what Chris says. And I think this can be also take as an example of how you should make a submission for a hackathon. I think that I would refer to this submission because it's very complete. It has a logo, it has a written explanation, it has a video explanation. The idea is cool. I also like, for example, I've discarded some ideas because they were something very niched, like something that maybe can be used only sometimes. Instead, this can be used in Discord, so it can really be used for real. Everyone has knows, or maybe we are, I don't know, in hundreds, not want to say hundreds, but at least some Discord communities. So this can also be, it's also reusable. So we also evaluated on this part. So I can keep congratulating with 10 more minutes, but maybe if you have any questions in the audience, you can just drop it. And yes, that's it. So project video, Discord bot, the name, the GitHub repository, and everything else. So
Yep.
I don't know how much
Yeah, I
time
think from my side, until we get some questions, I just wanted to add a couple things. So besides participating in hackathons, you obviously can win prizes often, but I don't think that's the most important thing. Like Francesco said, this is really good resume material. When I'm reviewing people for jobs, these kind of things really stand out. They make you stand out. It will also help you in starting to contribute to open source by creating your own open source and just setting up a project from scratch. So they can be really well to participate in hackathons to benefit in multiple ways of coding.
Yeah, and I think that first of all, this can also be a question by the interviewer. Like, have you ever been involved in some? You can reply to this even if they ask for open source contributions, hackathons, or participated in some projects, a project that you have done. So maybe this is an answer to, I don't know, like 10 different questions that an interviewer can ask you. Of course, it's not a must. You don't have to make a hackathon to be hired, but this can be your secret weapon, we can say. that can really make you look confident. This is something that you already have done. So you can just put the link, you can just discuss, and people can see basically how you work, which is, I think, the most important thing. This goes even beyond all the titles that you can have, a degree on other stuff. But here you are goodly going into details. I think that if you do something like this, you're basically giving a taste on who you are to the people who are interviewing you. What do you think, Chris?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, like you said, it's no guarantee, but it really helps to showcase like how you work and like how clean you write your readmes, how clean your code is, what kind of things you use and how you use them.
Yes, of course. And here there is also the example on how you can invite the bot. The logo is also here. So it's really fine-grained, I can say. It really went into details. So it's, yeah, that's it. So congratulations, Sopradumna. You were saying something about that we have not updated the repository. Maybe we should update for the winners. It is in this.
Yeah,
Let me
we
check.
should probably make a
Let
list
me
of the
check.
winners.
We should. Okay. Maybe, but this was just the. Okay, maybe we can update it. Maybe here winners announcement.
Yeah, would be cool to
maybe.
link to the winner submissions.
This is a good idea. So I'll just link to the tweet without writing this again. Thank you, Chris, for this idea. Okay, how can I do this? Let me check here. 5 minutes. Okay, I'll just take this one, and I think I can. How can I find it? Maybe we have it in this one. Padumna is doing the PR for this. Padumna, we love you.
Even better.
Amazing. No, this is really a mindset. I would love to be connected with more people like that. My goal is, I don't know, to find 100 people like this on the internet. I will be the happiest person in the world. So, Raduma, we are waiting for the PR. When you will find it, just put the link of the tweet whenever you want. And yes, so we have 2 more minutes before we close it. And thank you, Radumna. So thank you so you avoid me to just keep checking on live stream. I'll stay on the right. Chris, so when will we do the next hackathon? Soon.
Oh, soon. We have to come up with something great.
Okay, yeah, just a couple of things to myself. So Francesco of the future, please check this video. The next time that you organize a hackathon, don't say that you will announce the winners 2 days after the submissions, because it can take some time, especially if you work also in the day, because once you announce something, it's that. So take just more time to announce that, and at least 1 week. Okay, deal. Okay, so this is just a message for the future me, because it has been a bit of a problem to do this, because to be honest, I was expecting less submissions. So I say, okay, so it will be like just 3 or just 4 or 5. So still we got like 30. So it took like a lot of time. So next time I'll give myself at least a week or maybe 2. Chris, some final thoughts?
Yeah, I think that's great advice for your future self. No, I just want to keep saying to everyone, like, if you are interested, but you're not sure if you should join, definitely do it. Like, if there's a hackathon that with something that you love, just submit your ideas. Also, don't think like, oh no, this idea sucks, because it might be the winning idea. You never know.
Yeah, it's like when you go to school and you have an exam. If you have doing this, you'll always have to submit your exam. You'll never know, because sometimes you have a different perception of what you are doing, and usually it's the opposite. When you're sure that you have done everything correct, probably it's a mess, and sometimes it's the opposite. So, and I think that also, just by submitting, you also get a participation prize. So it's also about you showing something. We have decided, for example, to give more prizes since we got 6 submissions who were very, very good. So we've decided to add, I think it was like some prizes. I can't remember the exact amount, but it was an amount to get something on our store, for example. So yeah, thank you. You're welcome, Mitgor. Yeah, the last thing maybe I could have done better is that maybe to create more hype. So maybe announce it like at least 2 weeks before. Instead, at least I announced this like just 2 or 3 days before. So I need to work a little bit more relaxed when I do a hackathon. So maybe organize a bit before, after, and also next time I'll organize the rules already on any GitHub repository or somewhere. I've added this not at the beginning, but after. So the next time I'll prepare the rules since the beginning with a table that people can just add themselves. So now I know a couple of more things. Also, we had some problems with the prices. Now you have the prices, but for example, we have worked with some Amazon gift cards. But for example, Amazon gift cards, they don't work well worldwide. I don't want to talk about that anymore because it has been really a nightmare. So also, if you want to make a price, be sure, of course, that this is something that you can do. And that's it. How's it going? Perfect. So I think we are done for this hackathon review. We are sorry, but we have been a bit busy, and also the company gathering. So I'll use that as an excuse for this delay. But we really couldn't delay this anymore, and we really wanted to make this. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for participating, because it really made the difference. Because at the end of the day, you made a lot of work also to submit this hackathon submissions. Sorry for the wrong word. And yes, that's it. Chris, let's go back to work and do some stuff. I have to record some videos. I have to do something. I'm also working on some May the 4th Star Wars related post. So I have to go back because we have still one post to do about that. And yes, we have the dev cards. We have made the video. So this is everything is happening today. And yes, someone also canceled my live stream, so I have to do something different. So yes, this is normal stuff. Thank you, everyone, for coming. Right. Thank you, Chris, of course.
Thanks, everyone, for submitting.
Perfect.
And we'll be off to create the next one.
Yeah, for sure. Perfect. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.